Hello, my people. How una dey? True don show. Welcome. Right now, I welcome una to the best Educreator show. Today, gist don plenty full for ground. That's why I dey wonder say wetin dey go on. All of a sudden, JAMB result come out. So people come dey say, my result o, different people just dey talk different things. Say last year, say dem get 250. Say this year, dem get 180. Na so JAMB come vex. Na so JAMB boss sef dey cry for interview. Say dem say person even kpai on top the matter. I come dey wonder. In fact, different stories. Na so me I come sit down come say make I select my own story. Make I come gist una my lovely lis ten ers, right? Make I come give una wetin dey happen, better gist. But my own gist be say 2025 UTME Result Glitches, right? For those wey dey complain say their result no good or for center wey experience wahala, JAMB candidates share experiences after resitting. Na so out of curiosity I carry my camera, I carry my all my equipment, I go JAMB hall make I go see things with my eyes, make I go see wetin dey happen with my eyes. Make I go give una all the details now of wetin happen. Now the 2025 UTME candidates who were rescheduled for a resit after JAMB admitted technical glitches in some parts of the country have shared their experiences. In fact, these people don talk whether JAMB pass this time or whether JAMB fail, or if anything don change about the whole process. Make I continue giving una the update. Now, some of the candidates like Chioma, Marvelous, Nnamdi explained that the experience was seamless unlike the earlier one. Dem say JAMB at least try this time, say dem make some progress, say the process dey seamless. Now, while some of the candidates expressed optimism, dem say it's better right now, right? In having higher scores, they confirmed that the questions were simpler and direct than the previous exercise. So dem say JAMB do better bonanza for everybody. Say the questions dey simpler, right? And better than the previous exercise. In fact, wetin you think for dis thing wey don happen so? Shey you think say if say JAMB na international examination body, therefore dey query dem like dis? Shey you think say if say JAMB na like SAT, right? Then JAMB go sit down remark dis thing or give dem another test? So share wetin you think. But dem say people happy o, and say the process dey seamless and e better pass the previous one. If you get contrary opinion, share your experience. Remember, like, follow and share. Bye bye.